Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Trello boards for organizing tasks step by step clearly. To start, open Trello and create a new board. Click on the Create New Board option in the main dashboard. Choose a suitable name for your board that reflects its purpose. Select a background color or image to personalize your board. Next, create lists to organize your tasks by clicking on Add a List. Consider naming your lists based on stages of your workflow, such as to-do, and click on Add a Card under the appropriate list. Enter the task name and click Add Card when finished. To add more details to a card, click on it to open the card view. In the card view, you can add descriptions, checklists, due dates, and attachments. To assign tasks to team members, click on the Members option in the card view. Select the members you want to assign and save your changes. You can also label cards for better categorization by clicking on the Labels option. Choose a color and name for each label to make your tasks easily identifiable. If you want to track progress, consider using Trello's checklist feature. Create a checklist within a card by clicking on Checklist and entering items. As you complete tasks, mark items as done. To keep your workflow organized, regularly move cards between lists. Click and drag cards from one list to another based on their current status. You can also add due dates to keep track of deadlines. Set reminders for due dates to ensure timely completion of tasks. Utilize the search bar to quickly find specific cards. For better collaboration, always communicate with your team through comments on the cards. As tasks are completed, move them to the Done list to visualize your progress. Periodic review of your Trello board helps keep tasks organized and updated. Regularly archive completed cards to declutter your board. And finally, do not hesitate to customize your board settings further as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.